Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark V, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the settings, and then in this list find the apps. Let's tap on them. Now let's tap on all apps and three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset Up Preferences, and as you can see, your device will inform you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps and the notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Xperia device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.